We are at the Myseum checking out the seaweed swamp. Come day tripping with us.
So, we've been to the Myseum in St. Louis County a few times now, and we're definitely a fan of the operation. There's so many opportunities for learning here, but they're all presented in a fun, playful way. Of course, we had to start off with the seaweed swamp because that is our little day tripper's favorite part. He literally spent half of the visit here. Great place for hide and seek. Here we get to see the cause and effect of air currents. This one is a lot of fun. This slide right here is good and steep, and they have a radar that shows you how fast you're going. Who's going to be the fastest? Physics, problem solving. This isn't real, by the way, that's a projector, and the particles are simulated. This one is really popular with a lot of kiddos. It's sort of like Plinko, but it's customizable.
Very nice.
I really like this one. You can set up the bottles and then knock them down with a gust of air. Lots of opportunities to build with blocks and other things here. What you're hearing is a Tesla coil used to create music. A Tesla coil emits high voltage electricity, and here it is being used to play the soundtrack to Super Mario 3 on the NES. You know, I take it back. The various instruments here are my favorites. I love the different style of drums, whether it be electronic or some sort of modified steel drum. This device predates motion pictures. It creates an optical illusion, and it blew people's minds back in the day with the first form of animation ever. The first one was invented in 1834. So much fun. This surface right here is covered in photosensitive paint, which reacts to light. The Myseum isn't huge, but they pack a lot of fun into the space they have. Definitely worth checking out if you have kids.
If you enjoyed what you saw, hit that like button.